Recording in progress.
Hi all.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi. Who is the another one? Can you tell your name?
I'm Sumit Bhattacharya.
Sumit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hi Sumit. So we will be doing a speaking section today. Okay. So I will directly start the class. So Sumit, how I do speaking is that I will be combining several one answer several questions. So Reshmi, okay, only Reshmi you are there, so it's fine now. Okay, Reshmi, you have idea, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you want to answer the question?
Okay, I'll try.
Yeah.
Okay. Speaking about something that I have lost in a recent time is actually one of my valuable valuable watch. Actually, it was very close to me, and it was something that had been gifted to me by my father. Uh, when I passed my board exams with flying colors, at that time, my father had got this watch to me, and it was really expensive. And above that, it was that one watch that I always wished to have, and because it had a beautiful dial of a petal shape, flower shape, and as I told that it was gifted by my father, and that's the reason it was very close to my heart. And coming to the point that how I lost it, actually, I don't know the actual time or actual point when it was lost, because it happened to be in the last few days. I was just driving and coming back from my school, and after coming to home, I just noticed that it was not there on my wrist. So that at that time, I came to know that I lost it somewhere, and I couldn't make it the place where I had actually lost it. And as I already told that it was very dear to me, and I always thought that it would be with me for the lifetime, and I was really in tears when I came to know that I have lost the thing all of a sudden. Um, and I did made efforts to get it back. I just went back to the place where I have been for the last few hours, but everything was in vain. It did not pay off. I didn't get my watch back, and it was really sad. And I can't still get over to in that feeling that I have really lost my dearest watch that was gifted by my father.
Okay.
Okay.
So dear, you are telling actually
Ah,
repeatedly.
yes, yes, yes.
Dear watch, precious
Actually, this is
watch.
a topic which I have not thought, just never thought about it.
Precious, valuable. Okay, so
Ah,
you can
yes,
use
okay.
those vocabularies, but I am not sure whether you only exactly one a few days ago someone had told that watch. Maybe it might be their idea might be from the Makkah. Same idea. Okay, it was watch.
Oh, okay, okay. No,
Uh,
actually, this I have prepared this answer that which what is the favorite
Gift.
gift that you have
Yeah.
received, and I have prepared this for that actually.
Yes.
And when this I have seen this question, actually, I just came out that okay, let me tell that. Actually, nothing happened like that. Just I cooked it up.
Okay, so you basically got the idea. It's like you are combining here, like mix and match you are doing, and then you are able to do now speaking, right?
Okay, okay.
Actually, your speaking was good because I was thinking it is same person because gift when I gave the gift topic it was the watch only someone told and I thought it was you. Okay, so the idea is good. You have already prepared for that. Okay, so describe something you have lost recently. Describe something important that you lost in the past. Describe an experience when you lost something. Okay, and so these are all questions about lost. Only the sub questions will be changing, right? So sub questions, okay. So sub questions will be like what you lost, how you lost, how important it is to you. Explain what effort, what you did to find the lost. So your emotion, all these things are questions are repeating. So this we can like you told we can combine with the gift. Okay. So these are actually some of few more ideas where actually we can use the same thing.
Yes.
Okay. And like you told, we will be adding gift also along with this favorite gift. Hmm? Okay, describe a depressing experience. So this is like depression. Everything, whatever it's needed, negative sentence, negative emotions, negative vocabulary is needed. Like last time it was, arrogant neighbor. It was you
Ah,
were
yes.
there, right? So
Yes, yes.
some vocabularies we need basically. Sad events, okay, and then something important you lost, a bitter experience, depressing experience. So you can always combine such answers together. So I basically did a division. It's a different style I am teaching you today. So let's see which one is you are the judge today. Okay, so you will be the judge and you will answer me which is better. Okay. Okay, so it's like mm basically you want I kept book as well as I kept phone in my mind and I prepared this. Okay, book and phone you kept your answer is watch. Let it be anything, but only some portions we will be changing and then remaining everything will be same. Okay, so I told you last time introduction needed. I don't think you
Ah, yes.
started with an introduction last time.
Yes, you told me, and I was actually for 1 second I was thinking about the introduction, but I was not getting anything to introduce a lost thing, so that's why I just
So
left it.
yeah, so it's okay. Fine, 2 minutes. Only you have to talk for 2 minutes. So you can either start like this, read. You can read. It's understandable, and later I will explain.
Okay.
Introduction purpose. Okay, so this is the coming with the introduction. So same thing, different sentence I will be keeping, but keeping part 3 section in mind. If more points are there, more vocabulary, similar idea, it will be useful in the part 3 or in the part 1. So you can get the continuous question. So what happens is that if you prepare for the cue card only, then what happens, part 3 we won't be having the vocabulary or idea. So that's the reason. Okay. See, this is actually vocabulary, more worrisome, depressing. Vocabulary is needed. That's the reason. So actually I went here with the mobile, and then later I will be changing that to even books also. You can read once. Hi Sabira.
Yes, ma'am.
Sabira, actually we are discussing this topic, something which, speaking, okay, I'm speaking, something you have lost recently. So I will show in the end. These are the few questions. So whenever they are asking something lost, you have some idea with. Suppose it could be watch, book, a mobile, pen drive, anything. So
Yes.
by keeping that in mind, we actually started already. You can also answer these questions. What is depressing experience, sad events, bitter experience? Same incident only you have to keep in mind. Okay. So you have to combine. It's not possible for anyone to prepare several topics, each answer for each topic, so it will be time waste. So we will be doing a method like this. You can take time to read, and Rishmi, it's like I will ask in the end also, I will give a chance to you, so you can pick some few words from here. All right, Sabira.
Yes, ma'am.
This is actually for you can keep for introduction. You can have your own idea and you need to stick with the same answer. But at the end, if I ask, you should be able to answer the question. That's all. These are please read, and the end I will explain. Okay. So it's like, well, to be honest, you can actually, it's this sentence, well, to be honest, you can actually apply that to every sentence. Means not every sentence, so here and there you can apply for any answer. I'm usually a careful person. See, this is, if you join in the middle, actually, this is a topic related to what speaking, what you have lost recently, okay? And this is an answer, that's it. So, so please read this, and I will be asking you in the end. Anyone can answer. Well, to be honest, I am usually a careful person. So it's because why we are saying this, because we something we need for introduction. So this could be some sentence which you can use when it comes to taking care of things which belong to me. Belongings. Speaking part one. Belongings. One question is that belongings. Okay, which belongs to me. Okay, careful person belong to me, but unfortunately, see, use of connectors, or you can say this is but nice way to start. Unfortunately, vocabulary, despite, it's a connector, negative sentence. Okay, despite our best effort, almost everybody, it's like a general statement. When we are doing the speaking, we will be doing actually introduction, and then we will be telling our experience, and then we will conclude. That's the ideal way. So despite means it's a negative connector. Despite our best efforts, almost everybody loses things. Just I lost. About timing also, it can vary. Anything you can say about a few months ago. Okay, this actually the question was recently. So, and some vocabularies are needed, right? Worrisome, depression. So these are the sad, dissatisfied, I was depressed, lost. These are the vocabulary which you have to keep in mind, because we need topic specific vocabulary. Okay, so this is related to depression, sadness. So that's the reason. Worrisome, depressing. You can. So I prepared this answer by keeping two things in my mind. Either it could be this thing, books, favorite book, favorite gift, and then this thing, mobile. Okay, so that's my. So you can even combine this answer to whenever it's reader favorite gift. Take this part and then add the, okay, like that you have to do. So this is actually related to about up to here, related to mobile. Favorite electronic gadget which you use, you have to say mobile or anything. Okay, read and I will explain in the end. All right.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So simple only points, and I'm actually giving you points, and in the end you can frame different answers of yours. Okay, it's the latest model any mobile introduced, launched. Okay, at that time, quite popular one at that time. So it had all the latest features. Any mobile features you can it no need. It was old mobile in that case. Then mega front camera, back camera, so like how much memory it can, it has long battery. So you need such vocabularies, and inbuilt, it's like built-in applications. It's available for everything like Facebook as well as. So these are the work as well as use. You will be using and you would want to notice it. Okay, and okay, so you have to use something like this. Okay, as well as also, because it's a good vocabulary. Needless to say, so in fact these are how you can actually start a sentence. Needless to say, I also had many important files of some old movies, songs, documents, rare pictures of family friends some time ago. So mostly they, in each question they will be asking when is the time. So you can say a couple of months ago, some time ago. So rather than saying 2 weeks or anything, you have to like a little bit different ideas, because you need to show all those time in each questions. Okay, in fact I would say that some of those files are old as 4 years, that included the pictures, documents, okay, the music, everything you can say. So I guess that you can understand how valuable actually when one was saying answer, it was she was using dear. So you have to go for different vocabulary. So it shouldn't be repeated words vocabulary. Valuable, precious, and dear, that was dear something. Okay, dear, that some answer that mobile was really precious to me. Okay, this sentence is not so good. Okay, so mostly we can say when it's like why it is something related to any favorite things, any objects. Okay, favorite thing. It is a gift from my father. It's a gift from my friend. So these are some ideas. Keep in mind and read.
Yes.
Okay, so it's like adjectives are needed. I was thankful to her. So that will be mostly first sentence which comes to mind. I was thankful to her. Thank her profoundly. So it's like a sincere, so from so much heart, deeply from the deep, so much in depth. Okay, for such a thoughtful gift. So good adjective, thoughtful gift item. Okay, and because she had spent a considerable amount of money, time to buy me one of the rarest edition of this book, or it's one of the rarest mobile. It's the latest new gadgets available. Then it was a depressing experience because we are discussing something which we already lost. So it's a depressing experience, quite important to me. Rashmi like already told like that everything is almost related to this only. She told gift from someone close, and they had spent so much time for that considerable amount of money, time to for buying me this gift. Okay. Now, were you lost? See, those who joined late, we are discussing about speaking uh, object, anything which we lost recently. Okay, and I kept book and mobile phone in mind and I prepared this answer. So, where you kept, how you lost this? Okay, some sentence are needed, right? So, for that, please read this sentence and we will discuss. If it's over, I have to scroll down also.
Yes, ma'am.
Over, right?
Yes.
Okay. So vocabularies which we can use later also. Sole intention. So I kept in a handbag, backpack was to read it on my return journey. So I was, if it's mobile, we can't say that. I always use my mobile. Okay. So my sole intention was to read. I want to read a novel from the Kindle app application, which I regularly use. I must have been very careless, so that's self regret. Not to look after it properly, I believe. I dropped it. See, I lost, we will tell. So I dropped it somewhere. It's not sure where it is, somewhere at the airport. So everything you know, but it will be good if I tell you once, okay? Dropped it somewhere at the airport. So again, lost, dropped it. It happens. The vocabulary, ideal vocabulary. Inside the taxi, it could be anywhere. Somewhere at the airport, dropped it inside the taxi that I took to reach the airport, or at one of the coffee shops, or somewhere at the airport. So it's like three options gave. Not sure anywhere. So that's one idea. To my wildest horror, when I searched for the book in my bag, I could not find it anywhere. Somewhere, anywhere, nowhere. It was nowhere. It was such a sad moment. It was a depressing moment for me. Okay, I will give in the end one more time to read and then you can answer. Okay. So what you did? So question will be sub question will be what you did at that time to find out that material which you lost. Go. Please read the points. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, take time. Okay, so it's not only part two. Sometimes what we have to do for when we lost a thing. So we need several ideas for part three section. So I complained in the police station. I reported. I mailed. So these are the options which is available. So these are ideas only. I could do virtually nothing. I was not able to do nothing to retrieve to get back the lost item as I was not sure where I had dropped it. Okay, dropped, lost. So apart from sending email one option, I had only few options. So when we lost something, it I think only few options are available for us. So what is your emotion? I got so tensed and get back to the street. So what all we will be persons will be doing to get back an item? I get back to the street, get back. Okay. I get back to the street, tried to remember exactly where I lost the item, but I was not able to remember exactly where I lost. Then, even though use of connectors, even though I know that it was you need connectors, you need grammatical range, vocabulary needed, ideas needed, even though I know that it was impossible to get the stuff back, I tried hard. I tried hard to clear in the examination to have those items back. So what I did, I reported to the nearby. In the listening section, we can listen, right? What all the taxi means lost luggage, or what all they do. Same thing. I reported to the nearby police station, contacted the bus authority. I gave up all the hopes. What was our emotion at that time? I gave up all the hopes. I had to get my items back. I had certificates in the bag. I have several certificates on in that bag, and I don't know what I have to do. And I really, it was I had to even attend for an interview at that time. So somehow I managed, or someone find out. I complained to the authorities, and then like that you can develop the idea also. Now, what is the emotions that you have? So that is like what this is what you did at that time, and this is like what is the emotion which you went through. Over.
Yes, ma'am.
These are the few more emotions, and that's the end. All right. Okay. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Se- Sabir, what about you? Okay. So it's like we have several emotions. How can we say that same thing in different ways? I felt like I lost a part of me because it contained many dear and valuable memories of mine from the past. I also felt like that I should have been more careful, self-criticizing, more careful in securing that thing. Okay, it was overcrowded bus, it was overcrowded airport. I felt so low and depressed. Everything negative words, different ways to say, not vocabulary but sentence. I felt like a child who lost the most important toys. If you want, you can say. I felt so stupid that I was blaming, strong criticism. I was blaming myself for the whole thing, and rebuked me not to be more careful. I rebuked myself. Honestly, the whole experience, because it was asking about the experience, and the feeling was pretty depressing. Okay, so this is the end. So for those who join late, this is actually a discussion related to speaking, IELTS speaking. These are the questions. Describe something you lost recently. All these sub questions will change. Okay. And describe something important that you lost in the past. Describe an experience. What is your experience? How were your emotion? How it was how why was it important to you? Everything is sub questions can change. The main question only. These are the other questions which you have to keep. Depressing experience, sad event, victory experience. Okay, keep in mind, and then read once again. See, those who join late, they can even take the screenshot and keep it with you, because I will be finishing my class now. This all are the how to start an introduction. Rashmi and the remaining can read. Okay, now once again, and try to recollect how much vocabulary possible for you for the later purpose. So this was about the mobile, anything you can say, and it is the favorite gift or any item. This is actually the main heading will be an object which you lost. It could be anything. Vocabularies of sentence which points I bolded it. Okay. This is the idea or adjectives vocabularies for the gift, any gift. See, I am scrolling down without asking because this is the second time I am showing the same slide. Okay, everyone, that's the end. So, this is a questions to everyone, to all. So, do you feel this is the better way for learning speaking rather than focusing on one question and one answer? Do you think it saves your time?
Yes, ma'am, definitely.
Rashmi, actually, you are there from my starting. Several classes you attended. Here, I didn't give point wise. Okay, I mean, usually I used to give one sample answer, one story. Here, I
Ah,
gave
yes.
point wise. So, which one is better?
I think here you described about quite many things, phone, bag,
Yes.
like the different things. So we get an idea of, we can select our own thing that which one is better to select so that we can get more idea. So I think this one is good.
Okay.
We
Anyone?
can
Any?
generate, we can develop many answers.
So actually, I thought of taking because I can't hear. It's raining here. Okay, raining again. One of the speaking topic, right? So, Rashmi, sorry, anyone? Do you want to give a try with anything? Any of the question because I have some more questions. Anyone? Rashmi?
Okay. We all lose something or the other in our life, and losing is really a bitter experience for all of us. And for me personally, I am a careful person, and I never misplace things here and there. But it also happened to me a few months back when I really lost my uh, precious watch. Actually, it happened a few months back when I was coming back from my work, and when I reached home, I came to know that there was no watch on my wrist. So I was really depressed on the side that I have actually lost it somewhere, and I could not make the place where I have actually lost it.
Dropped.
Uh, dropped it.
Hmm.
So it was really sad moment for me, and in order to get the stuff back, I tried hard. I get back to the place, and I actually searched for here and there, but it was all in vain, because I actually don't know the place or the spot where I actually dropped it. So even if I know that my efforts are in vain, but I tried, because I can't simply sit and blame myself for not taking care of my valuable thing. So it was
Did you complain anywhere?
huh?
Did you complain anywhere?
Did you come? Actually, I don't think that if I complain, it will be useful, because I can't actually tell the person that where I have lost, and it's really not so big watch. It's a small lady's watch, and I don't think
Expensive.
that complaining.
It
Uh,
was not so expensive.
it was not so expensive, and the complaining will work at that point.
Okay. Actually, what happens is that you memorize that topic. Okay. So it's difficult for you to add more points, but you can keep these points because you
Yes, yes,
for your
exactly.
part three, because this is a watch is a memorized answer, so it is going in the same order. Okay, and the
Hmm.
same vocabulary. Okay, so you can use
But I
this.
tried to add few things from your.
Okay, so okay, careful person, like introduction.
Yes,
Okay, so
yes.
so you can definitely keep this for your the cue card, and you can keep the remaining points for part 3 section. So I will be ending my section over here. Any doubts, anyone? Okay, in that case, bye.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Bye.